can keep them occupied. I can keep them occupied. New enemies, be careful.
Nearly at the rendezvous. Hope we've not kept him waiting.
Wait!
My
Overflow! Break!
Great!
I'll deal with you all at once! Final set! Wait! I see you!
See anything if not perceptive.
Hey there, you lot. Fast as a spark in Rogel.
Well, we would hate to keep you waiting.
Good man.
So where's Colony 5?
Easy. It's up on the Loska Plateau. Should see it once you've cleared the cave.
What are we waiting for then? This bloody Merc's giving me the creeps.
Uni should cool jets. Guessing in Tiz won't help.
You'll be in a tiz in a minute.
All he's saying is that we should play it safe, careful. Right?
Correct. Especially if situation involve Mobius creeps.
All right. I am actually trying to control myself. If I start going crazy, nudge me.
Whoa! Where's the real Uni?
I just don't want us dragging our feet, all right? Not to worry, just stick to the plan.
I can keep them occupied.
Enemy reinforcements! Say anything is not perceptive.
Husks. They're still fresh. Yeah, this wasn't long ago. Who could have done him in? Time to do the right thing, eh?
We've got to be super cautious around here. Yeah, sparks, but I've got a bad feeling about this. We can't leave it like this.
We can't just leave this be.
marks. Considering their elevation, it can only be...
Right. Only something as big as Ouroboros or Mobius could make these.
Stand fast! Cease combat! Yeah, you're Boliaris, right? Ethel's man, from Colony 4.
Yeah, that's right.
Then you guys... you couldn't be...
Couldn't be what?
No, can't be. You aren't friends with that monster, are you?
With what monster?
Thank the flames.
Huh?
It happened so fast. First the commander was promoted to gold, and the night after that, that thing came. You could tell it wasn't Agnian. Nothing native to these parts could tell at a glance. It was cackling, having fun cutting our friends to shreds.
That'd be Mobius. Has to be.
Yes, but why attack Colony 5?
We came to find that out, right? Think. Must be a reason.
And the colony? How's Orsolia?
No clue. We were in such a hurry to save our skin, scrambling for a place to hide. Then you guys showed up.
Right.
Well, she can't be all that far off. Shall we? Spark, yeah. And if any Mobius mudders are there, we mess them up.
Yeah. Looking at these guys, they don't seem under Mobius control. But that makes them targets we need to protect.
No argument there.
Who are you guys? You're working with Agnes?
Once we're done here, I'll tell you all you want to know. It'll blow your mind. Okay, let's get a move on, eh?
Before we do, we should escort these guys somewhere safe. Some of them are wounded.
Ah, too true. Definitely don't want them in combat. How about the cave entrance? They'll be safe as castles.
Cave entrance, huh? Yeah, that'll work.
We owe you.
These weren't here before, were they?
Wait! Aircraft! Overboard! I'm the one you want.
Powered ring!
Butterfly blade! My aircraft! Go! Blaster! Gemini! Overboard! Overboard! Butterfly blade! Easy! You're welcome. Aircraft! We have superior white! Gemini! Strike! Commodore! Feel the power!
something decent, right? Let's sort this mess out. We made it to morning. Whoa, visitors!
I'm the one you want.
Nice move, child!
I'm the one you want.
Hazy figure!
Keep up the pressure here!
Final check!
Oops, they found us.
Final check!
Gotcha. My epic scream.
We're unstoppable with you around, Senna.
I'm the girl with the gall. We're almost out.
Yeah, once we get out of here, we should be safe for a while.
These weren't here before, were they?
No, they weren't. Have they been drawn by the husks, maybe?
You lot sit tight here. We'll press on to Colony 5.
Thanks. It's really us who should be going, but how can we ever thank you?
These guys are doing all the fighting. Thank them. I'm just along for the ride.
Oh, cheers.
Come on. Anyway, you just leave finding Orsolia to us.
Shall we deal with this? Good thing we found this.
Banana fishy fashion sen packing!
Reinforcements! White flag!
Healing's on the way! Hold on!
What? I'm the one you want! I'll get you up in a sec! Eat this! Go! Overboard! I see you! Get on! Ever! Overboard!
That worked pretty good, eh, Kion?
It means there were no holes in my strategy.